On every Tesla, such a modification accessory can be used, not counting its curvature. It has a straight length of 123 centimeters. But its overall weight is only about 210 grams. If you pad this long thing in your hand, it will definitely be lighter than you can imagine. That's right, what you see in the video is Tesery's real dry carbon fiber spoiler for Tesla Model 3, Model Y owners. In fact, for the real carbon fiber in our lives should be less contact. So we do not particularly understand. Been waiting to see the Tesla performance version of spoiler on this simple atmospheric arc. Only then began to really pay attention it. In fact, we will find the P version of the spoiler. It is very good looking, but specifically cannot say where it is good looking right. And later, we found a little secret of the Tesla design. Its spoiler, almost in the ground, is as a parallel state. Then this causes the spoiler on both sides, the closing position and the middle position of the line transition, in constant complex changes. So this spoiler looks very simple and very good looking and durable. But in fact it is very complex. Of course, this complex shaped surface also poses a higher challenge to the processing of third-party parts. So far, there are at least 5 kinds of Tesla spoilers on the market. The first is the original Tesla spoiler. The second, carbon fiber pattern printing spoiler. The third, the material used is indeed dry carbon, but just scan a shape. Simply do not do a good fit if the shape size does not fit. The fourth kind of spoiler is good fit, but the appearance of the shape, paint feel or have a certain gap with the original. The fifth kind of it used in the R8 rear wing, used a production process. It is our Tesery dry carbon rear spoiler. It before and after a total of grinding with 1.5 years time, in order to better fit and closer to the original feel and luster. In a sense, this is a work of art. Tesery is to make this product to the soul. So Tesery's intention can be completely reflected from its product details. It is really different. So hurry to Tesery. Common order carbon fiber dry carbon spoiler.